Hello students, let's solve this math question which says two numbers are in the ratio 5:3. If they differ by 18, what are the numbers? So let's say that the numbers be 5x and 3x. Let the numbers be 5x and 3x as they are in the ratio 5:3. Also the two numbers differ by 18. That means the difference between the two numbers is 5x minus 3x, the difference between the two numbers is 18. So let's solve this equation first. 5x minus 3x is 2x equals 18, or x equals 18 upon 2, or x equals 9. So the value of x is 9. We got the value of x. We can find the two numbers by putting the value of x. So the first number will be 5x. Which equals 5 times 9, which is 45. And the other number is 3x, which is 3 times 9, which equals 27. So the two numbers are 45 and 27. Let's write our final answer. The two numbers are 45 and 27. This is our final answer. So this is how we solve these kind of questions. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.